Guys, see what I found. It's the first stage of a Long March 3B rocket. It fell on the ground when it ran out of fuel. It's quite complete. There are 4 engines in it and 4 boost rockets, fix it. So there were 4 engines on those rockets, which were 8 engines in all. The length of the major part is 3.35 meters. It's not a small rocket, it's the first time I entered the first stage of a rocket. Wow, it's made of aluminum. Why are there so many steel grids inside? Steel grids can skew its length while increasing the power it's transmitting, so it's tough and light enough. The whole aluminum board doesn't need to be so thick. It's the arc ring, all made by machine. The fuel inside, or NTO-UDMH. When they are mixed, they may generate numerous thrust. This is the surge force which keep the fuel still inside. There is also such stuff in the casting. It's all around except the upper part. So many wires here. They were used to hang some liquid levels inside. So when the fuel was burning, you might know how much was left. That is a density turbine system. It might supercharge the turbine in the thrusting. When the front turbine worked, it might generate strong power, but it's difficult from the cars. Its turbocharger structure didn't generate the force directly, but to inject the fuel to the back raft. So its charger can also supercharge the fuel. That is the nozzle. Look at its pipe. The fuel entered the pipe first, which wrapped around the nozzle. The fuel was cryogenic, so it used the fuel to cool down the nozzle, and then send the fuel to its injection system for injecting. The red flames were used by the optical system on the ground to trace the rocket's postures during the launching. So it's not decoration. That's fun, guys. Have you learned something?